Moisture's constantly moving back and forth through walls. Generally speaking, in a heating climate like we have here, the vapor drive, which is the direction the vapor moves, is from the inside of the house to the outside. It's from warm and moist. Warm air holds more moisture through the wall. So all winter long, you're breathing, you're cooking. Like, you know, when you boil water to make pasta or something, you get condensation. Showering, that all builds up in a house, and if it doesn't get out, if you don't ventilate it, it can end up in the walls if they're leaky. So what happens there is the moisture is in vapor form. It goes through the wall, and then, especially on thick wall systems, when it hits the first thing that's solid, something like rebar in a straw bale wall, and cold, the closer you get to the outside of the wall, the colder the wall gets, it condenses. And it's when that water condenses that you then have the conditions for mold growth. When it's in vapor form, you don't. So you can also, in theory, I asked Chris about this when I was trying to figure out what to build with. In theory, on a thick wall, like a bale wall on the north side of a building, you could get condensation forming on the back side of the exterior plaster, because that's the first solid surface. But he said, in practical terms, you don't, because the plaster itself sucks in the water. It's not like it's not as if you had a metal surface there or a plastic surface for condensation to form on with nowhere for the water to go.
It just absorbs it.
And takes it out through the other side.